friends, this is Priya welcoming you to the channel. Today we are going to make a very popular combo in the south, that's the set dosa and the vada curry, basically the parp vada in a curry. So let's see how to make the vada first and let's check the ingredients for it. Chana dal 250 grams soaked for about 2 hours, onions 1 cup, green chilies 2, curry leaves, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, garam masala 1/2 teaspoon and salt to taste. Grind the chana dal to a coarse paste and then mix all the ingredients together. The paste will be like this. Now when you make the dough, you mix it well and the vada dough is ready. This is how it will look. Now we are going to first sort of like, it's like almost steaming. This is a kuri paniyaram chatti we call. This you make lot of dishes in this. We will come one by one on that. So first you have to grease it with little oil and then this vada dough I am just putting it as small balls in each of this space that you see. We are doing this instead of deep frying the vada. We are going to do like this because for a curry this will give a better taste. Otherwise the vada will be deep fried, you will not get the right taste. In case you don't have this vessel, then you can always deep fry and make the curry. But if you have this, try this. This will give a better taste. So this also consumes lesser oil, which makes it healthier also. So I placed it in this and now we have to basically take time and let it cook. We will first initially let it get browned on both sides, like pour little oil now and then and make it sort of brown all around, and then to cook it from inside we will also steam it little later. So I'm doing this browning part right now, like you see. Now like this we close and let it steam so the inner side also gets cooked well. Now you see that whenever you try to turn, it's all like well cooked, so it won't stick anywhere and things like that. This is the right stage for you to know that the vada is cooked. This is a very flavorsome curry. You should try it with dosa combination for you to actually enjoy it. So this is the vada I have made. We will slowly start making the curry. Let's see what the ingredients are for the vada curry. Garam masala 2 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, salt to taste, curry leaves, coriander powder 3 tablespoons, chili powder 1.5 tablespoon, onions chopped 1 cup, coriander leaves chopped 1 cup, cinnamon stick 1 big piece, cloves 4, elaichi 1 and tomatoes chopped 1 cup. This is ginger garlic paste. So now let's see how to get making the curry. I'm taking about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a cooking pan. Now we'll add the garam masala items, the cinnamon stick, cloves and elaichi to this and just let it brown. Now I've added the onions to it. We'll saute it for some time. I'm adding the ginger garlic paste. You don't have to make the onions brown as such. I've added the turmeric powder, garam masala, curry leaves, salt. We are sauteing it for some time. The whole garam masala and all these together are giving out a wonderful flavor. I've added the chopped tomatoes to this. And we'll have to cover and cook it for some time for all the things to come together. After about 3 minutes, let's just check if we can go with the next ingredients. Yes, it looks good, so I'm adding the coriander leaves to this, and let's saute it for some time. It's almost giving out the smell of biryani in the initial stages. So yeah, the coriander powder and the chili powder that we had taken, I am adding at this stage. And we'll just roast it a bit, not much, because already the water content of tomato and all will be there, so it will not cook much. Now I'll add little water to this. And let it, cook and boil. Yeah, I've mixed it well now. And we'll again cover and cook it for all the tomato and all to get cooked well, and for the curry to get making. I'm opening after about 5 to 7 minutes, and the curry is almost ready. I am not making it watery because we are going to take it for dosa. It is up to you, the consistency. I like this consistency, so I am keeping it like this. Now I am adding the vada that we made earlier to this, and we have to soak the vada in this curry. Like, pour the curry on each of the vada so it gets soaked. The idea is that the vada should become soft in the curry. I have put off the stove at this stage, and once it is soft, when someone is served the set dosa with this curry, the vada will break. It will be soft and it will break with the curry when it is taken to eat. Your dish is ready for the day. Enjoy it with set dosa. Now let's see how to make set dosa, which is little different from the masala dosa we made earlier. The ingredients are idli rice 2 cups, raw rice 1 cup, fenugreek seeds 1 teaspoon, and puffed rice 3 tablespoons. You have to soak this for about 8 hours and then grind it to make a dosa batter. Grind it into a smooth dough. This is how the dough will look after it's fermented. Now to make set dosa, you will not spread it all around big and all that. You just pour the batter and just don't swish it around much. So, and you'll have to close it because set dosas are not crispy, they are soft. So close it and cover it like this and cook it, so it will not be crispy as such, and it will cook faster also this way. So in 2 minutes your dosa is ready to be turned. Yeah, the light brown, this is the right stage to be turned around. Pour little more oil around it, and about 2 more minutes to go. Your dosa is ready. Now it's ready to be served. Hot set dosa with a vada curry is an awesome combination. You must taste and let me know. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Do like, share and subscribe if you like this, and do share your comments please. Thank you.